looks in good batting form here. Picked up the cap beautifully. Fantastic shot. He is wonderful to watch when in full flow.
Pacer introduced from the other end.
That's a difficult field to bowl to. Bowler has to be very tight with his line and length.
Goes up and over. Superb timing. Change in field.
Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. That is in the air and in the gaps as well. Goes for 4.
కానీ కాస్ట్ ఎక్కువ పడుతుంది అమ్మమ్మకి.
He looks in good batting form here.
Puts away. The batsman sees it coming and punches onto it quickly.
That is great batting by both batsmen. Desperately needs to break this partnership. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
वो 90 rupees 20 liters 90
He had
rupees
no
అంట.
option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Oh, that must have really hurt. Pacer introduced from the other end. Here is a fielder at the extra cover.
Oh, he missed that one.
Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for 2. That is excellent running wickets. He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series.
Well struck. That's going all the way for 6.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. And he helps himself to a 6.
Appreciation all around the ground for his good performance.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way.
రికార్డింగ్ చేస్తున్నాం అన్నీ కూడా డిలీట్ చేయి తర్వాత.
This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going.
This is beautiful to watch. He's making the ball top.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he holds to his feet. Another field change.
What a thrilling game we are witnessing here. The crowd is exhilarated.
Here is that sign of aggression from the batsman. He knows how to play this.
That was right in the slot for that shot.
Can you do it again?
That sounded sweet, very sweet indeed. Fantastic shot.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Confidently stroked away for four.
బ్యాగ్నే విసిరి అవతల వేశాను అంతకంటే ఏం చేయాలి చెప్పు
It's a sight to watch him bat.
That was four from the moment it left his bat.
నువ్వు కూడా నాకు సలహాలు ఇస్తున్నావురా వాడుకోవడానికి పనికొచ్చేంత గొప్ప ప్లాన్ నీ దగ్గర
Wonder where the next one's gonna fly.
పనులు ఎలా చేస్తావురా సరే ముందు ఆ ప్లాన్ ఏంటో చెప్పి తగ్గాలి
Right, he has connected that, and that's gone for six.
Now that he has reached his 100, he may look to attack a bit more.
తిరిగి నా మొహం పగలగొడుతుంది
Change in bowling here. Spinner into the attack now.
There is a fielder at cover.
తీసుకుంటుందంటావా
That's into the gap. Should look for two. That is huge speed. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the bat thinks otherwise.
Bowler bowling from his preferred end.
Goes from top and in the gap as well.
చెయ్యి పెరగడం కంటే దీప దగ్గర వెళ్ళడమే బెటర్ ఆగిపోవడం కోసమే నేను చూస్తున్నాగా డబ్బు పోతే పోయింది అది పోతే చాలు
He looks in good batting form here.
Plays and misses. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match.
Shot, that's a beautiful play.
మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ తీసేవేంటమ్మా మనం ఊరడిపోతున్నామా మళ్ళీ బట్టలు తెచ్చుకున్నామమ్మా
Yields in great touch.
ఊరెళ్తున్నారా సౌర్య
Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next?
That's well played. Playing into the vacant spaces.
అది దీప నేనొకసారి చూసిపోదామని వచ్చాను మీరు అన్న మాటలకు ఎలా ఏడుస్తున్నారు
Crowd senses a flurry of boundary here. They are making some serious noise.
ఏడవడం మొదలు పెడితే చచ్చే వరకు ఈ
Goes big, high and long. That came from the middle of the bat.
గుణపాఠాలు నేర్పించడానికి మీలాంటి గురువులు ఎప్పుడు సిద్ధంగా ఉంటారు
Spinner into the action from the other end.
మీకు ఇంత లౌక్యం తెలిసిన మనిషి అని వాళ్ళు నన్ను పంపించారు.
That's a difficult field to bowl to. Bowler has to be very tight with his line and length. Bowler is reading the batsman here and restricting into his plans. Brilliantly bowled. Batsman looking to play some shots but goes past the bat.
సరిపోలేదా? అవసరం చూడు దీపా,
There is a fielder at cover.
నీకున్న జ్ఞానానికి నీకు కొన్ని విషయాలు చెప్పకుండానే అర్థం కావాలి. కానీ మీరు చెప్పండి, అర్థం చేసుకోవడానికి
Pushed into the gap for a single.
మీరు అందుకోవడానికి నువ్వు ఇంకా ఇంటి దేవతలు కాదు.
The bowler bowling from his favorite end.
ఇప్పుడు మా జ్యోత్స్న నీ ముఖం కూడా చూడు.
He's taken the aerial roll and no guessing where it's landed. No worry.
నేను ఇష్టంగా తీసుకొచ్చిన వాళ్ళని ఇంతలా ద్వేషిస్తుంటే వాళ్ళ ముందు తిరగడానికి నీకు సిగ్గుగా
Fantastic batting by the batsman.
ఇప్పుడు నేను మా జ్యోత్స్న దగ్గర నుండే వస్తున్నాను.
The batsman fails to put bat on that ball. Captain has placed a fielder at cover.
అందుకే ఈ డబ్బులు ఇచ్చి నన్ను పంపించారు.
Single taken. Good position of strike here from the batsman.
నీ మీదున్న అభిమానంతో మా సుమిత్రానికి
Bowler bowling from his preferred end.
ఇంకానే బాధ పెట్టలేదు.
Over the top and in the gap. Well played.
తల్లి లేని దాని కదా, ఆ బాధ ఏంటో నీకు తెలియకపోవచ్చులే. నీకు తల్లి
It
లేకపోతే
is showtime. Crowd going mad here.
ఒక బిడ్డకి తల్లి కదా.
That's a superb shot for six. Side watch.
పైన ఒకరిని బాధ పెడుతూ బ్రతికేది కూడా ఒక బ్రతికేనా? ఇప్పటికి జరిగింది చాలు.
Can he get another one? Let's see.
ఆ డబ్బులు తీసుకుని వెళ్ళిపో.
Lovely shot. Very well done. Picks up a boundary.
ఇంకెప్పుడు మళ్ళీ నీ ఇంటి ఛాయలు కూడా రాదు.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Fantastic delivery and the sound of timber.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one.
That's a difficult field to bowl to. Bowler has to be very tight with his line and length.
He has it. This one miles. Straight over the top for six.
That's a wonderful victory. And the batsmen congratulate each other after scoring the all-important winning runs.
The players shake each other's hand as they walk up the ground towards the dressing room. It has been a good game of cricket and they've played in the right spirit.
Let's congratulate our man who mentioned in catching for a few words. I felt I was in top form today and I'm really glad I could contribute towards the team.
ఈ సుదర్శన హోమం మీకు శుభ ఫలితాలను ఇవ్వాలని ఆ మహావిష్ణువుని వేడుకుందాం.
హోమాలు యాగాలు ఎన్ని జరిపిస్తున్నా మా వంశానికి గుర్తుకొస్తూనే ఉంది గురువుగారు.